Hello Daad community. Yesterday we discussed what is the impact of technology on education, and today I am discussing what is the future of education with technology. The future of education with technology is promising and exciting. Here are some key trends. Increased accessibility. Technology is making education accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Internet-enabled classrooms and online learning opportunities are becoming more prevalent. Emerging tech trends. A recent poll reveals that 75% of educators believe that digital content will replace textbooks by the year 2026. Technologies like virtual reality, mobile edtech, and gamification are being deployed in classrooms. Personalized learning. Educational software that presents reading material based on students' comprehension level is on the rise. This allows for increased flexibility and personalized learning. Online education growth. There is a growth trend towards online access to educational content and learning resources. Online classes are convenient and allow students to learn about nearly any topic that piques their interests. Technological advancements. As technology becomes a major part of how we communicate and share ideas, educators need to think critically about how to deploy the technology strategically. Augmented and virtual reality. The future of technology in education will ride the wave of increased internet capabilities and higher network bandwidth, bringing advanced technology into the schools with a greater ease. Two of the major areas of next wave technology are augmented reality and virtual reality. Whole child commitments. The future of education looks forward to recognizing the identity and health of the whole child in K-12 and higher education. This will help educators design the support systems that can reduce inequity on multiple levels. Global community. The pandemic has brought everyone together and allowed for the exchange of ideas, policies, practices, and assessments across boundaries. These advancements are empowering the educators to create the remarkable learning experiences for today's young minds. However, it's important to note that the integration of digital technologies is a complex and continuous process that impacts different actors within the school ecosystem. We are committed to providing high quality educational content that is both informative and engaging. Help us reach more people by sharing our videos with your network. In the next videos, we will discuss what are some challenges of technology in education. Take care and bye-bye. See you in the next video.